Hi everyone and welcome to the video. My name is Lydia from incomingsuccess.com, and in today's video I'm going to talk about 10 things your website must possess in order to generate sales and increase the client's trust. A really great website needs to be really nice to look at. It needs to have great photography, which is something we're going to talk about in this video. It needs to be really easy to browse through, and it needs to be easy to remember. So to make sure that happens, I've put on a list of 10 things your website must have. Now, you know, when you go on a website, no matter how great the products are, no matter how great the product photography is and everything, if the homepage is not good, if the website is not made so that you can find whatever you need really fast, it kind of disappoints you as a customer. So that's what I'm talking about. Whenever I go on a website for an event place, for a photographer, anything and everything, whether I want to buy products or services from that website, I want the website to look amazing, and I want it to make me feel what the brand and business is all about, so I can get an understanding just by clicking on their website. Alright, number 1, great photography. I mean it, this is one of the most important things you could do for your website. Have amazing photography on it. Amazing photography means great design. It's basically the same thing, especially when your products, your services need those photographies. Now, one tip that I have for you on this chapter is to delete all bad photography. For example, if you're selling a product and you have 3 images of it, one image is amazing and the other 2 are blurry and not clear, delete the other 2 and leave the only great image for the people to see. Good photography should be clear, it should not be blurry, it should have great colors, contrast in it, but it should not be way too colorful. Well, that really depends on what you're selling and what you're trying to promote. And also in the chapter of photography, I highly suggest that all your products, if you're selling products, have wide background photography for the customer to be able to observe the features of the product carefully. But also, don't forget to add lifestyle images of your product. That means your product being used. Number 2 is product description and information about the products in general. This is something you must make sure to add on your product, on your website, because it is really important that the client, when they click on your products, when they click on the description, they get all the information about the product so that they will be convinced to purchase it. Alright, now moving on to number 3, what your website needs to have is a good homepage. What I mean by a good homepage is that when a client clicks on your website, they get to see the menu, everything you're offering, some of the products you're selling, some of the offers you're having lately, basically all the information but narrowed down, put on the home page. Now, number 4 is about legal stuff. This is how I call it, but you know what I mean. Privacy policy, cookies policy. Again, all this legal information is mandatory to be seen on the homepage as well. Number 5, branding. This is something that should show up all over your website. What I mean by branding: your logo, the font you use, the colors you use, the style of photography. Your website needs to be kind of cohesive. So basically, it's really important to share your style on your website as well. Also, keep your branding cohesive and consistent on social media as well. It's really important that when people see a photo of your model, see a photo of your product, they know it's you. It's really easy to recognize. Number 6, you need to have really well-rounded product category. Make sure, for example, that if you're selling bags, don't add one product category that contains all the handbags you're selling. Make sure to divide them by style so that people will know where to search immediately for what they need. Especially if you have loads of products, this is something really useful for clients. Number 7, social media. You might say social media is not a part of my website, but it is. Your website should represent your brand as a whole, so you need to have social media there so people can click on your Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, whatever you have, so they can see what you're posting on those platforms as well. So once they click on your website, make sure to have social media icons so they can go to your social media links immediately. This way, if you're posting the right things on social media, they will have more insight on your business and they will trust you a lot more as well. Number 8, client reviews or testimonials. This is something really important you need to share on your website if you have them. Why? Because clients want to know what other clients have experienced with your business, products, or services. Number 9, videography. I know you're saying you have enough photography, everything's okay, but trust me, a video platform like YouTube, having a YouTube channel for your business, will help your business tremendously. So if you can do that, if you have the time, if you have the money to invest in someone to take care of that part of your business, make sure you do, because it's really important. It gives clients so much insight into your business. It gives them a more natural feel about you, about your business, branding and everything. Number 10, information about new products, new collections, everything that has to do with what's going to happen in the future for your business or your website. So these are all the things that will make your website really great for your clients to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, because there will be more videos coming in the future on the same themes of entrepreneurship, building your business online, growing your social media accounts, and personal development as well. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.